Hello, this is Miss Brown, and today we'll start our study of mammals. You're going to need another sheet of paper that you will staple to this chart. There's going to be several things to write down, and you will have to stop it as you go to get everything written in. There's just so much to know about mammals. Mammals are our most advanced animals. They're the most fun to study because they're the animals we're the most familiar with. Many of your pets are mammals, and you're a mammal, of course. So these are always fun to study. So let's go above where it says mammals in the chart in that white spot. Distinctive traits, of course, hair and fur, mammary glands to produce milk. We nurse our young. That means you feed them milk. Also means you take care of them and you give care and training for your young. All right, examples, dog, cat, and the human. Habitat, these are found terrestrial and aquatic, and as far as appendages, all kind of things are going on. You could have 2 arms and 2 legs like yourself, or 4 legs like your dog, or 2 wings and 2 legs like a bat, or flippers like a dolphin. Body cover, hair or fur and skin. The head and mouth is specialized. There's a very, according to what food the mammal eats. Respiration, there's lungs with alveoli and a diaphragm, which is a muscle that helps with breathing. Heart chambers, there's 4 with a septum and double loop. Body temperature, we're endothermic, so we use a lot of energy keeping our temperature correct no matter what it is outside. And for skeleton, we have bone and cartilage. Fertilization, of course, is internal. I want you to go up where it says head and mouth. Also add there highly developed cerebrum and brain. So we have a large brain. We have a larger head than other animals. Mammals do in general. And we have specialized teeth for different things. Again, internal fertilization. Development, this is where you're probably going to have to go to another sheet of paper. There's all these different lines of development. You have the monotremes, an egg with an outer protective cover. The marsupials, they have very premature babies that move into their pouch like the kangaroo and the opossum. And the nipples are in there where they can feed and grow and develop in their mom's pouch. Then we have the placentals, like us. We have a uterus with a placenta, an umbilical cord, and a gestation period. Gestation period is a pregnancy time. And different mammals have different amounts of time that they are in gestation. So special adaptations, we group mammals into classification orders. The monotremes lay eggs. That's like your platypus. Marsupials have pouches. Rodents have gnawing teeth. Chiroptera fly. Insectivoras eat insects. Carnivora are terrestrial meat eaters. Edentata are toothless. And then you have their cetacea, they're your marine. Pinnipedia are marine carnivores. Lagomorphs have large incisors. Arteriodactyla have even-toed hoof. Perissodactyla have odd-toed hoofs. And proboscids are trunk-nosed. Then you have the primates. Upright posture, this is your monkeys, apes, gorillas, humans, and of course the Homo sapien, which is us, modern man. We'll be looking at much of these. We'll see many of these in video, and we will be discussing some more of these things later on in class. Thank you.